We have installed this Camcamp Door Lock yesterday in only 20 minutes, which even includes the removal of the previous lock and then adding this one here. Of course, I've been reusing the original latch. That saved me a little bit of time, but overall it was a super easy, straightforward process, as easy as it gets, and it works absolutely awesome. I've added already some of my hand vein recognition pattern, and usually I can just hold my hand here and it takes about 1 or 2 seconds and I can already easily open the door. This is absolutely amazing, even much faster than with the fingerprint unlock which I had before. I've really been struggling, especially when I had some wet or dirty fingers. Here absolutely no problem, but we do not only have the vein recognition pattern, we have even 3 more options to unlock. For example, this tag here which you can just hold here and then it will open, or we can use the keys which we get, so we can just remove the protection here and use the keys. Absolutely awesome backup here. And then we also have the code unlock option because we have this touch screen here. But as an awesome thing here, much better than with most locks, we can just hold the hand here. We don't have to touch it, and then it will already activate and illuminate the touch screen, so it's much easier to use. By the way, I got this lock for free from the seller, but it's still my owner's opinion because I would never claim something which is not true, and you will be able to see everything here live anyway. In general, the advantage of the palm vein recognition is the high security, because it's almost impossible to copy such an access. It's also highly accurate. Based on my experience, it has a very reliable identification. I would say almost 99% day and night, and even wet or dry, doesn't matter. It's contactless, definitely more hygienic and convenient, and it uses the well-known multi-device Tuya app with app notifications and detail lock. The set came very well organized, even including the batteries. The lock is designed to be universal and can be installed on both left and right-handed doors with no change needed in the lock itself. You can just install the handle as needed because it will open in both ways, up and down. I've tried this and definitely worked. Huge advantage compared to most other locks. We have also 2 keys, we have 2 tags, and multiple palm vein pattern can be recorded for each person. But we still have to record every hand only 1 time, because the lock has the ability to recognize the palm vein pattern no matter if you hold your hand upside or down or from the other side. It's also one of the most stylish locks I've ever seen, with a very modern but also simple design. And I've tried it now for a couple of days, really day, night, dry, wet, and it opened in almost 99% of the cases in the first attempt. And so in daily usage, it has definitely worked exactly how I wanted it, but there are still some disadvantages which I want to mention here. So the first thing is there is no direct remote unlock from the app, but there are still some offline codes available which you can use, for example, for a worker. Then the codes which you can assign in the user management, for example, for each person, they have the restriction that only 7-digit passwords can be used, not any longer and not any shorter. Usually we have been using shorter ones, but now we have to remember new codes. I think only the master password can be shorter, I think 6 digits. And then of course it's not rechargeable. I think because of the palm vein recognition, it uses quite some CPU power to process that, and so I think the batteries won't last very long if you're using this as a main lock. Of course, here I'm using it for the garage door, like the side door, and so I'm expecting still quite some long battery runtime. Based on my experience, the palm vein recognition works fast and reliable only in the way it has been registered. When showing the hand with any kind of rotation, the recognition is usually very slow, or actually mostly even fails. I have been successful every now and then from the other side, but it hasn't been working very reliable. So if you want to use it a lot from the other side, I highly recommend to record this as a separate pattern, or then register and use the other hand. Then adding the palm vein pattern in the member management requires to start the process from the app, and then we have to enter a 5 and the hashtag on the lock, then showing the hand, and then often we have to deal with an error message, but at least after hearing some 00 as a voice command, you can try the palm vein recognition, and if successful, which it is in a lot of times, then go to the history and you can assign the last entry to the respective user. That's definitely a small bug, but we can work around this. I hope they can fix that in the future. Then the instructions in general, they are not very clear. And so it was a little bit a trial and error for me. Especially important to know that the initial app sync process, like the connection to the app, has to be initiated from the lock by entering the star and then the hashtag, and then the master password, the original master password, which is the 123456, and then the hashtag, and then after the voice you have to enter the 1. After next voice command, add the number 3. After next voice command, the 1. And then you're there where you can connect the app. But still most problems are related only to the Tuya app and mostly only to the setup. And so far, for me, it has been a huge improvement compared to my old fingerprint lock. And it's a fancy new experience which makes unlocking the garage side door much easier, especially when coming back from working in the backyard, for example, with dirty or wet hand. And so I'm definitely not going back to the old lock. I really enjoy it here. And so if you're interested, you can find the link to the Amazon listing down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this lock, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.